Check who I have here with me. Yep. Hey, Champ. 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 Look. Say hi, Champ. He's busy. Well, according to Champ, there was a Spanish ship in the 1700s or something that it flipped over with I don't know how many boxes of gold and gold coins and bars and jewelry. And according to Champ, he believes, because he's got a good nose for that, but according to Champ, in this area we should be able to find gold, in which case Champ and myself would be filthy rich. So wish us luck. Here he is. We've been here for a while now, and so far nothing. But we just had a meeting to see exactly what was going on. Maybe we have the wrong spot. And according to Champ, we should be close to finding something. I don't know, it's getting, I mean, the sun, the weather's nice. He appears to be having a good time. So I'm beginning to think that maybe he's pushing the truth. Well, Champ, it's how's the digging going? Yeah, he's busy, as you can see. I mean, the guy, I have no doubts, no reason to doubt him. He's a good dog. We're right here in Tampa. The bay are one of our favorite spots because it is close by the house. And according to Champ, should be able to find gold here. When that happens, we will be celebrating. I'm going to get probably going to get an RV, a B class. I don't like the big ones. And I'll probably get him a toy from Walmart. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll let you know if we discover something. He seems to think that's maybe the jewelry should be around there, so he keeps digging. I'll let you know. It's okay. What you looking at? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You okay, Champ? You're not a backseat driver, are you? No, I didn't think so. Champ is a good boy. You have fun? Champ, did you have fun? I thought so. What happened? Almost home. You think we can find gold next time? Well, what are you doing? No, 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 no. Sit. Come on. Thank you.